Twitter. If you turned off your paid ads today, how long would your store last? Like, just pause this video and ask yourself, like, seriously, like, look up into the sky and ask yourself, like, how long would you last if all your ads turned off? If you just couldn't run ads anymore, what would you do?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Ecom Street. I know it's been a while since I've been on camera here, so welcome back. I'm very excited to be sharing some ideas with you guys, especially with everything that we've been working on recently. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into the video here about things you can do on Twitter to help increase your brand awareness on your e-commerce website. Stay tuned.
Yo guys, what is going on? I just wanted to get on here and tell you how this thing right here, this iPhone, I don't care if you have an iPhone, I don't care if you have an Android, I don't care if you got a Nintendo DS Lite. If it has an internet connection and you can go on twitter.com, you can turn your $0 a day dropshipping business or $100 a day dropshipping business into a $300, $400, $500, $1,000 a day business for free, for $0. And so recently, I just wanted to share what we've been doing. So up until really recently, our main platforms for our current brand were basically just Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, of course, but just the basics. And then I read a book by Gary Vaynerchuk called Crush It, and I realized, yo, we are lacking on the other platforms. We have no idea what we're doing. There's no presence. And so out of boredom, let's pretend that our niche is fitness, okay? I went on to twitter.com and searched Gymshark. And there are people on there saying, are there alternatives to Gymshark? Are there alternatives to another brand? Or complaining about Gymshark or looking for a fitness brand to wear. They're asking questions and no one's answering them. And so what I did for like 7.5 hours was sat my ass down on my phone. Actually, I was in bed. In my bed, on my phone, just answering tweets saying, hey, you can do this. Hey, our site's right here. Here's a discount code. Hey, whatever. That's up to you to get creative. It works. It really works. We got like $300 in revenue just in like 2 hours from doing that. And then we did the same thing on Facebook. So now, since like last week, anyone that even just double taps an Instagram post on our page, or even just like an ad, like ideally if it's an ad, if you're running image ads and someone double taps that, wait an hour. If they don't buy anything, DM them saying, hey, wanna chat? Butter them up, talk about how COVID's crazy, how you like their hair, I went on someone's crazy story actually. This was a lady customer. She recently had a pretty scary life issue in her life. I brought that up on behalf of our business saying, sorry, this and that. Boom, she goes. She says, you know what? Forget the discount code. I'm buying from this link. Boom, she buys. What is going on? $0 and customers are flying in, and it's just something that many people sleep on. Many people have paid traffic, even stores that do like 20K a day through paid traffic. Don't get me wrong, it's amazing. If you turned off your paid ads today, how long would your store last? Like, just pause this video and ask yourself, like, seriously, like, look up into the sky and ask yourself, like, how long would you last if all your ads turned off? If you just couldn't run ads anymore, what would you do? We asked ourselves that, and we hopped on Twitter right away, Instagram right away, TikTok, don't even get me started. That's a whole different video. But Twitter, guys, please try it tonight. If you don't have to be building a brand that's like 3 years old or a year old or even a month old. It can be a brand new dropshipping store. If you have low budgets, if you're watching this video and you have like under 2K to your name or to your like e-commerce business and you don't have that much money, that's fine. Just work harder than people that have more money than you and you'll get there. Hop on Twitter, say you're selling a garden tool right now, or say you're selling something for Halloween. Go on Twitter, search Halloween, and talk to people. You can make this work.
We got some bonus content for you guys here. Just a little thing I just wanted to talk about really quick here. Without a community, there's no paycheck, okay? So if you don't have a community revolved around your brand, that's a lot of money you're leaving on the table. Now, we can make a clear example here with Ecom Street. We never really made money off our original Instagram page. Like, we did have 6,000 followers, but the whole purpose of Ecom Street was to just create an e-commerce community where everyone felt like they were engaged, where they can laugh, where they can just enjoy themselves. So that was more on like the free aspect, everything, just making everything cool, conglomerated together. We also use our own hashtag that people use so that when they receive their product, they use the hashtag and everyone can go filter through it. And also when they do post, We see the exact same post, and we ask them to leave a review on our website. So it's not just automated reviews that we have, but we also have manual reviews that we DM people and we ask them for reviews. So I think that's pretty cool.
If you've been searching through Google and YouTube for like, open rate hacks, how to get a higher open rate with like your emails or your DMs or whatever you're doing, even if you're not e-commerce, say you sell webinars or something, if you're watching this video, use their first name. I don't care about their last name. Use their first name. I don't care if their name is the craziest thing you can think of. Type it out, copy and paste it, put it in the message. So if their name's Bob, say Bob, you are going to freak out when you find out why this thing has changed man just like yours lives, or whatever the case may be, okay? Hopefully it's not Bob, because Bob's just weird. Don't be like Bob. Like alongside, now we're kind of getting into like super bonus round, but real quick, same goes for Klaviyo. If you're not running email campaigns, I don't care if you have 50 people on your list, you're lacking. Like, just hit them with offers. Like, to take a look at like some of the best companies that you personally shop with multiple times a year. I'm sure that if you hop in your Gmail right now or whatever you use, they're there, they're sending you offers. Maybe they're in your junk mail, which sucks, but if they're in your main inbox and they're sending you offers, just know they're doing that for a reason, because it's working. People, eventually one day on a Friday night when you're bored, you're gonna be in your inbox scrolling through and you might buy if you want those new shoes or new pants or whatever the hell you always buy. But yeah, literally guys, rewatch this video, ask yourself, if you cannot run ads anymore ever again, what would you do? And do that, I promise you, your margins will fly. You'll have more money for ad spend because you can actually run ads whenever you want. And you'll just be a lot more happier with your business.
Sonic branding. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this video. We hope you kind of soaked all the information that we talked about here. They're really, really important things, guys, honestly. You implement these into your brand, we promise you, you'll see a significant increase in sales. Really quick, guys, thanks for watching the video. Just want you to give a quick subscribe right here. Guys, we can play like sad music here. Guys, we lost 2 Instagram pages. We were off YouTube for a bit. Please help us out. Subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like so that the YouTube algorithm, the magic algorithm, can send this video to all the beautiful e-commerce people out there, and we can finally raise our subscriber count in our community.
But yeah, guys, literally, I promise we're back. We're not leaving again. We're gonna be posting on YouTube here every single Tuesday and Friday. New topics, ones that you guys comment, ones that we come up with. Like this video, help us grow a little bit. That's all we're asking for. No money involved. Just drop a thumbs up right now. Come on, I see you.
Give us a
drop
thumbs
it.
up. See you next time on Tuesday or Friday.